Barcelona is home to one of the biggest football clubs in the world, with the biggest stadium in Europe. In the spring of 2003, the club was facing one of the worst crises of its 100-year history, with the team in disarray and the finances in chaos. Unlike most big clubs, Barca is owned by its 100,000 members, who have the power to vote the management in, and if things go badly, out again. Joan Laporta, one of the new candidates for president, offers a completely new style of management, as well as the usual promise to buy world-class football stars like David Beckham. Probably the most famous Barca member is Johan Cruyff. For years he's been arguing that the club needs radical change, and he declares his support for his friend Laporta. The new president is voted in by a huge majority.
Gràcies per tot. Com et sents ara? Molt feliç, immensament feliç.
Els que ens han votat.
Laporta leads a team of young professionals, most of them are under 40, all of them wealthy and successful.
Visca tots els que heu fet possible això, Joan!
Laporta and his team take on a challenge that goes far beyond sport. In Catalonia, a stateless nation of 6 million inhabitants, football is a lot more than just a game.
La veritat és que ser barcelonista començava a fer una mica de vergonya, no? Doncs un dia em va trucar el Jan i va dir que volia presentar-se una mica perquè tots teníem el mateix sentiment, no? De que el club no anava per als camins que nosaltres creiem que havia d'anar. I aleshores el que vam fer és una mica dir, bueno, Jan, tu porta tota la gent que coneguis, i doncs jo vaig començar també a buscar gent de confiança que tingués una mica el mateix tarannà i la mateixa il·lusió i la mateixa idea de barcelonisme.
El que em va agafar molt va ser la capacitat de motivar del Sandro, no? I de ser positiu amb aquest projecte i a més de ser molt valent, no? De ser molt descarats.